let me take you through everything you need to know about getting your vehicle inspected and certified. Hi, my name is Nazim, and RWC is something which is essential to ensure that your vehicle meets safety standards and is fit for use on the road. It's required when selling a vehicle, re-registering it, or transferring ownership. The inspection process covers several key areas of your vehicle. For example, the exterior. Any damage to the body, lights, windows, and mirrors will be checked, ensuring everything is in good condition and functioning properly. Next, the tires and brakes are inspected. The tires must have adequate tread depth and be free of defects. The brakes are tested for effectiveness and wear. Under the hood, the engine, battery, and other components are thoroughly examined. The mechanic will look for any leaks, wear, or damage that could affect the vehicle's performance. All lights and signals are tested to ensure they are working correctly. This includes headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. The interior of the car is also inspected. Seat belts, horn, wipers, and the overall condition of the dashboard and seats are checked for safety and functionality. If your vehicle passes all these checks, it will be issued a Roadworthiness Certificate. Getting an RWC is crucial for ensuring your vehicle is safe for you and others on the road. Regular maintenance and addressing issues promptly can help you pass the inspection with ease.